Hey guys, so I'm walking out here and I'm just enjoying like nature and stuff in my backyard. Um, don't you guys just love nature? It's so pretty. Um, got hair in my mouth. But yeah, it's so pretty out. Look at the trees. Like I'm so pagan. I love like nature. See, I hug trees. They're beautiful. Like, I really think they, like, charge up energy and stuff, and, like, they're really healthy. I love trees. I'm a tree hugger. Yeah. Just wanted to say hi and just let you know my spiritual routine. You know, I pray outside and stuff. So, yes. All right. Bye, guys.